Today my lecture topic is Uniform Civil Code. So Uniform Civil Code will help simplify all of the religion specific personal laws. Remember the word that these are only personal laws. It does not interfere with all the religious customs. So enshrined in the Article 44 of the DPSP, that is the Directive Principles of State Policy, Uniform Civil Code is yet to be implemented throughout India. As of now, we can only see Goa and Uttarakhand are the only states that have implemented the Uniform Civil Code. But also in Uttarakhand, we can see that this UCC is not fully operational. There are only some versions of UCC that are applied in Uttarakhand as well as Goa. There are many arguments in favor than the arguments against UCC. Like we can see, UCC will promote gender equality so that it can secure personal rights to both male and females of all religions, irrespective of their caste and religion. Also, it will help promote national integrity, equality. So we can see that the UCC which is being implemented are only following the sectors of marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption and maintenance. There have been many incidents in the Indian history that have led to us demand UCC in a greater number in India. For example, the first incident that sparked the debates for UCC was in 1985, the Shah Bano case. Shah Bano was a Muslim woman who was denied maintenance after divorce. And as she filed for justice in Supreme Court ruled out in her favor, which has sparked debates all over India regarding UCC. Second case was the triple talaq system. That came ahead in the year 2017. The instant divorce system, which was followed by the Muslims, sparked debates along all of the India that why does women not have rights, so that they cannot, that they don't have a stance, that they don't approve of the divorce, or they don't get freedom, or they don't get freedom or the right to maintenance. So this was the second case that sparked debates for the demand for UCC. It holds a very huge significance because most of the women are still facing discrimination on the basis of religion. The way forward to implementing UCC is we should be spreading more awareness among people so that there is less resistance from the communities and people are more free and welcome to this implementation of Uniform Civil Code. In conclusion, I would like to say UCC will promote national integrity and will help foster secularism in India. Thank you.